Hello and welcome to Business Line with me, Sania Farooqi. As the prices of gold surges, lesser shoppers are expected to turn up during this year's Akshaya Tritiya, the auspicious time to buy gold. We have more update on that. The benchmark Nifty erased almost all gains in last 10 minutes of trade and closed the session on a flat note with positive bias despite buying in Reliance Group companies' shares. Next up, we have an email coming in from Angie Fernandez. He says, please could you let me know if Kisan Moldings have any hope of going up in the future or should I sell it now? What I found most interesting about this store was the fact that they've taken a lot of inspiration from family heirlooms, books, photographs, including Nizam's exotic jewelry collection. For example, the set that I'm wearing. Now this is a reconstruction of an original Mughal set. They've used rose-cut diamonds and emeralds, and just wearing this makes me go back in time. Hello and welcome to a brand new segment on Super Shopper with me, Sania Farooqi. Are you having trouble shopping for that perfect outfit or deciding what shoes to wear with that little black dress? Well, here's a chance to get all the solution to all your fashion problems. All you need to do is make a little confession and I'll come to your rescue. This week I have Nivedita writing into me. She says, today I play a role of not just a super shopper but also a glorified go-between. After all, getting caught between two friends who only seem to agree to disagree is a tough job. Today's episode is for the women, by the women, and over here in this segment a little about the women. I'm here at a store called Varna Jalam, a small store in Satyavani Muthu Nagar. Let's find out what this is all about. Now this store has been functioning right since 1997, and the best part is that these women have not just succeeded in making a living out of this but also made a serious profession out of this. And if that's not enough, most of their products are displayed in 5-star hotels across Chennai, also several other retail outlets. But the best news is that if you happen to be in France, Italy or Australia and you happen to see someone carrying something like this, then just think twice because they also export their products to countries all across the globe. But for now, I'm going to try my hand in learning how to make this.
I love that girl just like a lover, and I love that girl just like no other.
Today's episode is all about love, love and more love. Any guesses what the Super Shopper Challenge is going to be? Before that, any guesses who the guest is going to be? Let me remind you of someone who shopped for Mr. Finicky, Medha. Hi Medha.
Hi Sanya, it's wonderful to be back on Super Shopper.
Well, today's shopping is all about cheese, pasta, breads, jams, sauces. If you're a foodaholic, then you're definitely going to love this store. Find out what it's all about. Sometimes you shop because food makes you happy. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me. Do send in your feedback at feedback@netiv-hindu.com. We'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.